everybody, it's Jennifer, and today I wanted to do this super pretty fall look. Of course, it's a fall look. It's like mid-September, so it might as well be October, which is spooky season, which is fall, and I am here for it. I'm living for it. I'm so excited. So, few things really quick, like always. I only used the shadows in the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette in my video today, which is super cool. I've really been liking this palette, so it's kind of making me want to buy an actual Jeffree Star palette. We'll see how that goes though. My hair is doing the weirdest little curl bend right here, and I don't know why. Anyway, if you guys enjoy the video while you're watching, please give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. I'm doing another giveaway at 200 subscribers, and yeah. My Instagram and other videos from my channel are always linked down below, as well as all of the products I use. They're always listed down below, and I think that's it for the intro. I need to stop rambling so much, but super pretty, orangey, bronzy. It's just fall. It's fall, y'all. Yeah, I hate myself too. Alright, let's get into the video. We are feeling super vulnerable today, just so you know. We're gonna start off like we always do with the ColourPop No Filter Matte Concealer in Fair 00. I did not focus you. Hang on. Here we go. And I'm just gonna put this out. And today we are gonna be using the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette. Oh, it's so pretty. She's so pretty. I'm gonna start off by taking 1985 on a fluffy crease brush and working this in. Yes. And I'm going to deepen it using Mr. Diva. And now, what do I want to do? I'm going to take a little bit of Los Angeles and just on the outer portion of my eye, kind of buff that in and up to my crease. And then whatever's left, I'm just going to run through my crease a little bit. And I'm going to, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if you guys picked it up or not. I'm gonna take Hi Dude, which is the chocolatey brown in the palette, and layer that a little bit. Keeping this mostly on the outer section of my eye. So I'm getting ready today actually to go with Ellie, of course, to her first birthday party. Like her, not her like 1 year old birthday party, like her first time going to a birthday party. She's never been around other babies. Like honest to God, never seen another baby. Because before her, I'm the baby in the family and I'm 24, so there's just not kids' birthday parties, and I don't really make friends easily. But Taylor Martin, who has a channel here on YouTube, I will link it down below. Her baby girl is turning, well actually she turned 3 yesterday on Friday the 13th, but her party is today. So Ellie and I are gonna go. James wanted to go, but he is at work, and the party is at 2, and he gets off at 5. So what can you do? Nothing. I mean, go by yourself, I guess. I'm gonna cut my crease, but I'm going to talk to you guys while I do it. I'm not cutting a really big section. I'm really just gonna do like a small little piece here. Anyway, for those of you that don't know, Taylor and I went to school together, middle school and high school. We didn't go to elementary together, but we went to school together, and we were actually really, really good friends. We were in band together and everything else, and we were just really, really good friends, and we drifted, and I mean, we both have YouTube channels, and we literally talk almost every single day on Snapchat, but we have not seen each other since we graduated high school, and we graduated in 2013, so we haven't seen each other in a long minute. So I'm really excited to see her. I'm really, really excited to see her. Plus, I snuck my giveaway into a random video and didn't put in the title that there was a giveaway, which means I did not get as many views as I normally would have. And the rule was you had to put your Instagram name down below, and only like 5 or 6 people did it because my channel's like this big. And Taylor actually ended up winning the giveaway, and Taylor also has a little boy, and his birthday was in July, and I couldn't go to his party, so I got both kids a present. And then I was like, Taylor, you won my giveaway, I'll be bringing your stuff too. And then I was like, I feel kind of left out, maybe I should get your husband a gift. And she was like, please stop. So y'all are definitely seeing this after the fact, but I'm so happy I looked. She did Facebook invites, and I'm so happy I freaking went back to double check it, because your girl just about showed up at Taylor's house, and Paisley's party is definitely not at their house. It's definitely at like a little party place here in town. So that would have been hella awkward. Just, hey girl, where you at? And then she would have told me she's not at her house, and it would have been really weird. Really weird. So the last time I used this palette for like not my Slytherin look, it's so on my nerves, but it's fine. The last time I used this for like a neutral look, I used Dog Mom, and I really don't want to again. Let me, I'm taking that. What is that? Girl! So appropriate. I'm gonna take that, and like I said in all the videos I've used this palette in so far, this is not a Jeffree Star cosmetic palette. This is a Morphe palette that Jeffree Star collaborated with. So these are not his formulations. They're Morphe's eyeshadows, and they are redonkulous powdery. I definitely took too long, and I have a crease. So keep that in mind. This is not a Jeffree Star palette. It's a Morphe palette. Oh, honey. That's so pretty. Now I'm going to go back in with my crease brush and Boss Angeles and just kind of blend some shit together. When in doubt, blend it out. Okay? You could fix almost everything by blending. Just let me know. This is quickly becoming a little extra, but it's okay with me. Okay, I'm gonna hop off of here and finish up most of my eye. I'm going to do a tiny little itty bitty baby wing with the Physicians Formula Eye Booster in Ultra Black. I'm going to layer up some mascara. Like always, I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational and the Essence The False Lashes. I'm not going to put on bottom mascara yet because we're going to do that when we get done with the lower lash line, but I am also going to go ahead and knock out my face and eyebrows because my skin hates me. If there was ever a video where I didn't come on here and complain about my skin hating me, I don't know what we'd do. But I will be back and we'll finish this look and then I'll get ready and then we can go to the birthday party. All right, I hate myself. I'll be back. All right guys, so we are back, and before you guys have the chance to roast me down in the comments, I am 197% aware that my eyeliner is, oh my god, uneven. They do not match. They are not sisters. Hell, they're not even cousins. They're not even related. Okay, so now that we've moved past that, we're going to smoke out the bottom lash line just a little bit, and we are going to do our lips and lower lash line mascara. I'm not going to put on false lashes today because I'm actually going out and I don't really wear false eyelashes like out in public. Especially to like a kid's birthday party. That just seems really weird. So I'm just going to take a little liner brush like this, and I'm going to layer Mr. Diva and Boss Angeles on my lower lash line and smoke it out a little bit, girlfriend. This was a bold face lie. I don't like that brush. I'm gonna go in with a smudgy brush. And I'm gonna start with Mr. Diva and work our way up. Yes. I don't want it to be like crazy outrageous because I am going to a kid's birthday party. So I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I'm definitely not gonna wear a black tank top. My freaking air went out in my house yesterday. Like, I wanted to film yesterday, but it got up to 89 degrees in my house. No shit, not exaggerating, 89 degrees. And then James went and got a window unit, like window air conditioner, and it cooled it off a little bit. But it's in our like living room and kitchen area, so it was not cooling this room off at all. And then my dad was like, y'all should shut all the doors and just sleep in the living room until somebody can come out and fix your air. It ain't been fun, okay? So it's been super hot, and also I forgot to mention I burnt my arm on the oven. If you're wondering why it looks like I was mugged, I burnt my arm. Now I'm gonna go in with Welcome, which is super pretty as a highlight shade on the inner corner and brow bone. Look at that. Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? I don't know what's wrong with me. Anyway, but Ellie and I are rolling over to Taylor's daughter's birthday party, and her daughter is turned 3 years old yesterday, like I said earlier, but her son just turned a year old, and Ellie will be 9 months old on the 23rd of this month. So I'm hoping Ellie can like play with somebody. I'm going to put Maybelline Lash Sensational on my lower lash line, but like Ellie is scooting, but she's not crawling yet. And I'm just kind of worried. And she has like severe attachment issues. I am going to be using Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lip in Mannequin and layering the Buxom Full-On Plumping Lip Cream in White Russian over it. If you wanted to pop this look a little bit more, you can go in with false lashes and a like really pretty, either you could go like really dark and wear like a chocolatey brown lip. That would be so pretty with this look. Or you could go in with like a more orangey tone. I don't wear orange, toned lips though, because they make my teeth look super orange. So I'm gonna run in with a nude. I know I've been using this a lot. I'm so sorry, but I mean, nudes go with everything. Nude, neutral, matches everything. So I'm going to quickly put this on and I will be right back. I'm not gonna fast forward through it. I'm just gonna cut it out because honestly, I feel like it's kind of boring. Sorry. So I'll be back. Alright guys, we are back and I'm going to quickly set all of this down using the Morphe and Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist in Strawberry scent. The scent is hella overpowering. It does not bother me. It smells exactly like my lip scrub that's in Strawberry Gum, so it doesn't bother me. It might bother you. It is super, super strong of a scent, but here we go. I always get scared. Let's do this. Yes. The smell is ridiculously overpowering, but if you can look past that, it's a great setting spray. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. I'm going to hop off of here and wrap up the video by, you know, filming my intro and taking my little pictures, and then I'm going to go get ready the rest of the way, dressed, and straighten out my hair because it has the weirdest bend in it right now, and then I'm going to head out to Tay-Tay's party. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like always, give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you would not mind. You can join our little community here and you are going to have your chance to win my next giveaway, which is at 200 subscribers. And as always, you guys should check the description box. I have other videos from my channel that I think you guys might like. My Instagram is linked down there. All of the products I used are down there. So there's good stuff. Alright, I'm going to hop off of here because I haven't gotten to film in a few days because, you know, no air and working and school and Ellie. It's just been a little while. So I'm chatty Cathy today. I'm sorry. So you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching.